Hello and welcome back to the iHeat YouTube channel. Today we are in my humble abode, my new house for the year of 2023 and hopefully a few more years after the fact. This is a 3-bed, 3-bathroom, 3-story townhouse. I love it, I love this house. I just didn't like the kitchen, so we're getting it torn out, replaced with a brand new kitchen, new flooring, new everything, and of course a brand new boiler. I've just bought this house, just moved into it like last week or so, and the kitchen, whilst it may look okay on camera, when you actually come to use it, it all needs ripping out. So a whole new kitchen's coming in, and this wall is getting knocked down along with that wall to make space for the new boiler. In this horrible cupboard is a 24 kilowatt exclusive pro boiler. But we also have a leak. That's what this bucket is here for. It collects all the leaking water. So that is my main reason for getting a new one. Let's jump onto iHeat's website, let's order a boiler, and I'm going to show you from start to finish the process of being a customer at iHeat. Okay, we are now on the iHeat website. We're going to do the simple quotation process. It's a few questions, nice and easy to understand, and if not, there is always the explanation underneath it. Or talk to the team, there's a live chat option. Customer service team will sort out any issues or any questions. Which fuel heats your home? In this property, I have mains gas. Type of current boiler, I currently have a combi. And is your current boiler working? Yes. Roughly how old is your current boiler? So this house is built in 2006, so the boiler was put in the same time, so it's around 11 to 20 years. Will I be moving boiler location? Yes, I'm going to be moving it from the kitchen, and it's going to the same room. This of course adds a price onto the installation, as moving a boiler from A to B isn't easy. It requires a lot of thought process, a lot more materials, a lot more labour. I'm gonna have to take that on the chin. Now we have to describe the type of house we live in. So this is a end terrace, so I'm gonna click terrace. How many bedrooms? It has 3, and it has 1 bathtub and then 1 separate shower cubicle. Where would you like the flue to exit? It's gonna go to an external wall. How long will your boiler flue be? It will be under 1 meter. How close is your flue to a door or window? It is more than 30 centimeters away. Enter in your postcode, and now it will find the most suitable boilers for your property. Right, we've got a Valent EcoFit Pure, nice and compact, would be great to fit in the cupboard if it was staying there, or even under a kitchen countertop with that rear flue option. The Navion NCB 300, nice and new, quite a budget friendly, perfect for landlord's boiler. The Worcester Bosch 2000, we're getting there. The 4000, we're getting there. The CDI Compact would have been mint if I was keeping the kitchen cupboard, but I'm not. And then the Worcester Bosch 8000 style, 30 kilowatt, the big bad wolf, the beast of the boiler world. That's what I want to go for. I can even get it tomorrow if I order within the next 4 hours, so you best believe I'm going to be doing that. You could upgrade to a Hive, a Google Nest, or just keep the standard iHeat thermostat, which is what I'll be doing for this install. It is future-proofing my home. It is causing my value of my property to go up by a lot of money, and it will look bloody beautiful. So it's all worth it to me. There is of course pay monthly or pay later if now isn't a great time. Let's go to tomorrow where our beautiful boiler will arrive. When it comes to radiators, you want to make sure the engineers can access them. There's no shoes in the way, there's no bits and bobs, just a nice clean passage, so if they do make a mess, it's easier to clean. They need to bleed all radiators to make sure they're balanced once they leave. Let's get these out of the way. Also, whilst you're at it, make sure pets or any vulnerable people are out of the way of the install. For dogs, put them in crates or put them in a separate room where there are no radiators. That'll be the boiler. All the way through. It is now Friday. The kitchen is pretty much finished. The countertops are in, the dishwasher's in, the washing machine, and of course the brand new boiler. I've been using it for about a week now. It's made my life a lot easier. I can use the quick tap function on the Worcester 8000. Simultaneous usage. I've had people stay over, friends stay over. The 30 kilowatt is perfect for this size home. The installation was silky smooth. The lads came on time when they said they'd arrive, installed the boiler, taught me through the whole process, showed me the pipes going underneath the flooring, exactly how I wanted my job to go. Dust sheets were everywhere, it was nice and clean, and my kitchen is still looking spotless. I am currently using the standard EPH thermostat which comes with every iHeat install. However, I will be doing a video on comparing different smart thermostats such as the Google Nest and the Hive, and maybe even the new Worcester smart thermostat, just to see what works best for me and my style of living. If you want to see that video, leave a like, comment below, subscribe as usual. This has been iHeat.